Maheshmati was an ancient kingdom in present-day central India. It was located in present-day Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh on the banks of river Narmada. It is mentioned in several ancient texts and is said to have been ruled by the legendary Haihaya ruler Kartavirya Arjuna. Maheshmati was the most important city in the southern part of the Avanti kingdom and later served as the capital of the Anupa kingdom. It was located to the south of Ujjaini and north of Pratisthana, on the route connecting to the two cities. Patanjali mentions that a traveler starting from Ujjaini saw the sunrise at Maheshmati. It was located in the Avanti kingdom and at times was a part of a separate kingdom near Avanti. It replaced Ujjaini as the kingdom's capital for a brief period. It also served as a capital of the other kingdoms that separated from Avanti, such as Anupa. Avanti was divided into two parts by the Vindhyas. Ujjaini was located in the northern part, while Maheshmati was located in the southern part. Several cities in Madhya Pradesh located along the Narmada river are claimed to be the ancient Maheshmati. Mandata or Omkareshwar, Pargitar and others identify Maheshmati with the Mandata island. According to Pargitar, the description of Maheshmati in Raghuvamsha makes it clear that it was located on an island. Moreover, Harivamsa states that the founder of Maheshmati was Muchukunda, the son of King Mandata. A 1225 Common Era inscription of the Paramara king Devapala has been found at Mandata. It records the grant of a village to Brahmins and states that the grant was made while the king was staying at Maheshmati. H.D. Sankalya, P.N. Bose and Francis Wilford, among others, identify Maheshmati with present-day Maheshwar. Pargitar criticizes this identification, stating that the Brahmin priests of Maheshwar claimed their town as the ancient Maheshmati on basis of similar sounding names, in order to glorify their town. Writers such as Alexander Cunningham, John Faithful Fleet and Girija Shankar Agarwal identified Mandla as the location of ancient Maheshmati. However, this view is no longer considered as accurate by the modern scholars. B. Lewis Rice identified Maheshmati as a location in the former Mysore state. His argument was based on Mahabharata, which states that Sahadeva crossed the Kaveri river on his way to Maheshmati. However, besides the southern Kaveri, there is a smaller Kaveri, which meets Narmada near Mandata. The Sanskrit epic Ramayana mentions the attack of Rakshasa king Ravana on Maheshmati. The Anushasana Parva states that Ikshvaku's son, Dashasva, was king of Maheshmati. It goes on to mention that the Haihaya king Kartavirya Arjuna ruled the entire earth from his capital Maheshmati. He was killed by Bhargava Rama. Mahabharata mentions Maheshmati as part of a kingdom distinct from the Avanti kingdom. The Sabha Parva states that attacks the Pandava general Sahadeva attacked Maheshmati and defeated its ruler Nila. Maheshmati was protected by Agni due to his matrimonial relationship with the king's daughter. Agni even granted the unmarried women of Maheshmati liberty of not staying with only one husband forever and moving about freely. King Nila of Maheshmati is mentioned as a leader in the Kurukshetra war, rated by Bhishma as a Rathi. His coat of mail had blue color. Harivamsa names the founder of Maheshmati as Maheshmant, a king who was the son of Sahanja and a descendant of Yadu through Haihaya. At another place, it names the city's founder as Muchukunda, an ancestor of Rama. It states that he built the cities of Maheshmati and Purika in the Riksha mountains. Bahubali movie inspired by present-day Maheshwar.
చూడరా, నీ ఎదుట నిలచినది ఎవడనుకుంటేవిరా? పాపులే, కాలయవనుడే. ఇంకెందుకు పోగలడు? వంట ఇంటి కుందేలు వలె చిక్కినాడా? ఇక్కడున్నావా? ముసుగు పెట్టుకున్నంత మాత్రాన మోసపోతాననుకున్నావురా? నాకు నిద్ర భంగము నచ్చిన పాపాత్ముడెవడు? ఎవడవు నీవు?
మహావీర ముచుకుంద, మీ కంటి మంటల కాకు తీరవాడు కాల యవను. మీకు నిద్రాభంగమనరించిన వ్యక్తి మీ కంటి మంటలలో నిర్మూలనము కాగలడని నేనెరుగుదు.
Please subscribe to Siri Vennela Potluri YouTube channel.